VicHealth is launching Future Healthy, a new initiative to support the health and well-being of young people in Victoria. VicHealth's Melanie Fineberg says this initiative focuses on creating a healthier future after the COVID-19 pandemic.
We want to really support their health and well-being. So Future Healthy is our investment of $45 million over 3 years, and we'll be funding new programs that support young people to begin to build back better after this challenging period.
Melanie says that a big focus for Future Healthy is improving mental health.
In particular, that social connection that a lot of young people have lost over the last couple of years. 71% of young people across Victoria say that staying socially connected with others has become one of the most important issues to them during the pandemic.
According to GP Dr. James Best, who specialises in behaviour and development, Lockdown 6.0 is taking a toll on young people's mental health.
It's been a cumulative effect, and people's resilience has been slowly eroded away with each sequential lockdown. And also the support that was given to earlier lockdowns, like financial and government support, which were less present in more recent times, has led to things like job losses, people not being able to access financial support. And that can really affect young people in particular, especially people who are trying to rent or are looking for work, even part-time work to support study and such.
Jade Giotopoulos says the COVID-19 lockdown restrictions are causing her to experience FOMO.
It was the year of 21st for me, so a lot of my friends' 21st have been cancelled this year, which is pretty upsetting. And I just feel like it's my young years when I'm meant to be travelling and having fun, but that's all been put on hold now.
For La Trobe University student Sabrina Wilmot, the restrictions have negatively affected her day-to-day life.
I did lose my job at the start of COVID because we went into lockdown. I've been very unmotivated even to do little things like cook for myself.
The founder of the mental health organisation, Love Me Love You, Lance Petroni, says the uncertainty is causing young people to limit themselves.
A lot of people are restricting themselves in what they believe is an opportunity to do something. There's restrictions that we are in lockdown, distances and tying curfews, but we're trying to understand what opportunities are available and control what you can and not what you can't. Post-COVID, we're going to see a real big spike in the challenges that have been faced in our community.
Lance says it's still important to be grateful for the small things and opportunities that you have.
You create motivation through your actions, going for simple walks with people in your house, getting out in the air, looking at the sun, riding a bike, going for a run, meditating, sitting in a park, having conversations with people, bringing it right back. Try cooking, listen to music, and understanding what your motivation is to come out the other side.
Jade says that during lockdown, online Zoom calls with her friends and spending time with the family is helping her stay connected.
I've been trying to go on walks with friends or my mum and brother, just get out and do something. Also, we've been playing lots of board games.
Sabrina says that lockdown is giving her the opportunity to get more in tune with her creative side.
Recently, I've been doing a lot of sewing and creating new outfits and writing music and distracting myself from everything that's going on.
Lance Petroni adds that focusing on a simple approach to make yourself more positive during this time can be very beneficial.
We've become so complicated in our lifestyles that we've complicated our process to feel good. We're seeking instant gratification from a lot of things, and if we don't get that health benefit or that feeling of happiness and joy really quickly, we just don't believe something's worth it. I think it's about the process of stripping it back.
Dr. James Best says that this difficult time will be over soon.
Try and hang in there. Everyone's doing it tough. There will be an end. There will be improvements in this situation that's been going on for a couple of years now. It can be really hard to see that we might emerge out of it, but the signs are looking good that we're getting our vaccination rates up and such. So hopefully things will start to improve soon.
Lance says it's important to work on your self-care plan and to understand which people you can turn to when things are difficult.
I don't think it's a big thing about coming out the other side better. People keep saying, come out the other side of COVID better than you went in. And I think it's about coming out the other side okay.
If you're struggling during this time, make sure you reach out for help. Here are some crisis support service numbers that are available 24 hours a day.